So welcome back to another video on the area of parallelograms and triangles. So sorry about this, I actually lied to you guys in the last video. I said it'd be questions now. There's actually two more rules I have to show you, and that was a mistake. That wasn't lying to you on purpose. But anyway, I'll just go straight ahead and then we can start with the questions finally. So the first rule I'm going to look at is that all triangles between parallel lines that share the same base have an equal area. So what does that mean? Say we have two parallel lines here, the two green ones, and you see they're parallel here. So obviously the height between them is going to be the same at every single point, so the distance between them, because that's one of the definitions of parallel lines. They never get closer together or further apart. So any triangle between those two parallel lines that shares the same base, okay, so say for this example here, we have the points A and B, and we're going to call that the base of our triangle. So any triangle with that base that connects to the top line is going to have an equal area. So we'll just show why that is. Because say we have this red triangle here, so ABC, so I'm going to write that out. We're going to have the triangle ABC, and the area of that, so the area, remember the area of a triangle is half by the base by the perpendicular height. So we're going to say half multiplied by the base, which is this here, AB, or just B, and small b, multiplied by the height, which is just small h here. Okay, so that's the area of that one here. So now I'm going to look at this blue triangle here. So the blue triangle again has the base AB, and then it's going to go from A to D and from D to B. Okay, so it looks pretty similar to this triangle, and we'll find out that it also actually has the same area. So again, the reason being, so if we have the triangle ABD, this case, so the blue one, the area is still going to be half by the base, and it shares the same base B, and the height is still the exact same. And then the last one, E, hopefully will be a better example because it doesn't actually look anything like the other triangles. So E here, totally different triangle than the red and the blue one. Yet, if we look at the area of it, so I'll just go to triangle ABE, then the area of this triangle, again, it's just going to be half by B by H, because the base is the same. It still shares this yellow base here, and the height is still the exact same. It's only the perpendicular height that matters. So they're all going to have the same area. So I'm just going to say that yeah, I'm just going to leave it like that. So they're all, so all area the same, all area same. Okay, so that's all it is about triangles. And then the next point I was going to say is the exact same thing, except this time it's parallelograms. All right, so we're going to have two parallelograms. So this is basically the same sentence, except it's just parallelograms instead of triangles. I'll just show you guys quickly why. So we have a parallelogram here, the purple one, A, B, C, D. And now I'm going to draw, well, first actually I'll draw the area of that. So I'm going to say the area of the parallelogram A, B, C, D. Yeah, the area of this is going to be the base by the height. So let's write this, base by the height, and the base of this triangle is going to be this line here, so it's going to be small b, I'm going to call it, and then the height is going to be the distance between the yellow lines, so I'm going to say h, which is going to be this distance there. Alright, so again the area is going to be b by h, and now if we look at this red parallelogram, so again it's going to share the same base, it's going to share AB, it's going to have two different points at the top. So like this. So now we have ABEF. The area of ABEF is equal to B multiplied by H, because again the height of this parallelogram is the same. So the area of it is the exact same as the area of this. Okay, and we'll just say area same. Okay, so sorry about that. I thought this was going to be a question video, but the next one will definitely be a question video. This is kind of an interesting one that can come in, these two rules here. So if they give you a question with loads of triangles instead of parallel lines, or loads of parallelograms, you'll now know that all the areas are the same, and without knowing that, it's really difficult to solve the problem. So yeah, I'll leave it there. In the next video, we're going to look at some problems finally. If you like the videos, don't forget to like and subscribe, and share them with friends as well. So we'll see you next time.